Minutes earlier since we have a very flexible schedule, and I think the house is already full. So I think the opening remarks is has a lot of contents, and yeah, if you are okay, we might just start now. Is that okay? Okay, sure. So welcome to our workshop on the foundation models for autonomous driving systems. And here are a few background for you guys to know. So the background or motivation for our workshop is that we all know we have the data issues, data scarcity in terms of real world public data, which is very scarce compared to the huge volumes of data scale. So we have the synthetic or simulation data to generate all the safety critical or rarely happens corner cases data. And then we have the foundation models. But to be honest, how to define the foundation models is not exactly defined in the community. So as to how to formulate the task or what methodology you're going to use, and Infor is an info or framework critical to develop a foundation model. These are all very important challenges. And after having the data and foundation models, we have the applications for the autonomous systems, whatever in driving or robotics or in broader sense in body AI. So the workshop aims to address the following question, that is, how does foundation model facilitate autonomous driving systems or autonomous systems? Apart from the workshops, we also hold the second edition of Autonomous Driving Grand Challenge, and many thanks to these host organizations. So we all know this is a little bit background as to why those tracks or challenges are set up. So in the earlier stages, we have the perception or scene understanding to recognize objects in the scene. That is multi-model understanding, whatever you are doing the object detection or mapping or tracking tasks. And then as for now, especially for the current few years, we have the end-to-end or multi-model topic, which is to try to unite different perception and all the decision frameworks together. So we have the more complex systems to unify different modules together with the tools of word model and other advanced technology, including the system 1, system 2, which is a dual system, and the super alignment and other technologies. So the big goal is to achieve more active exploration to the real world and interact with the world. That is a potentially tentative solution, the roadmap for achieving the AGI, right? So as to this, we have set a few tracks surrounding those backgrounds. So whatever you are doing, the object detection, or as for example, last year, occupancy is very popular and it's a really high peak. So we want to keep that. And also, given the popularity of LLMs, we will have some challenges doing how to adapt the LLMs into the driving systems, and also how to improve the performance or how to utilize those foundation model techniques into the end-to-end domain. And also we have the predictive word model. So in this afternoon, each track organizer will give you a detailed statistics on how each track or how many participants or how many teams have participated in the challenges. So here in overall, this is a summary or statistics of all the tracks in total. So we have more than 20,000 people interested in filling the form. And actually, we have like nearly 30 countries or regions to participate, and with more than 3,000 submissions in total. And we can see this is a worldwide engagement. Interestingly, this year, we also have Africa and from Brazil, from even literally covering all the continents from the world to participants in this challenge. And mostly of them are from academia and with a decent percentage from the industry. And for this, I have specifically add this into the slides. We want to emphasize how we select the innovation prize because I think nowadays the most challenges are simply ranking the performance score, and the first or second place are naturally obtained. But for our challenge, we have set up a higher prize for the innovation prize. And here is how to select them. So from all the participating teams, for those teams interested in obtaining the innovation award, they will submit a technical report. And for the organizers, especially for the track organizers, they will seek some technical reviews from anonymous reviews, and they will obtain all those review comments and nominate to the award committee, which consists of 11 people. And we received some feedbacks, around nearly 50 of them gave us feedback. And we have noticed that there are some conflict of interest with the experts, with their institution. So we have already removed their conflict of interest. So this is probably considered. And then the final winners are announced in our website. So if you are interested, feel free to resort to the website. So for this workshop, we have an exciting lineup of speakers, Sergey Levin from the UC Berkeley and Alex Kandel from Wave and other amazing speakers. So so feel free to visit the website and have a chat with them on site. And we also have big shout outs to the workshop and challenge organizers. We are especially thanking all of the guys. Some of you cannot attend in the States because of visa, but others have come here. So if you have time, feel free to say hi to them. And also, this is a schedule. In the morning, we have 3 amazing speakers, Sergey Levin, Sherry, and Alex. And then we have the challenge innovation award presentation and for the detailed plan, their solutions on the challenge. And in the afternoon, we have also another 4 speakers on different topics. And one of the highlights in our agenda is the panel discussion, which is involve the live voting or discussion through the Slido. We want a more than a static panel discussion to prepare to discuss some prepared questions or topics. So instead, if you are interested, feel free to come here in the afternoon to propose your own questions or participants in the voting process, because we have provided 3 topics, and for each topic, they have the pros part and the cons part, and each panelist will have express their opinions on that. I'm really excited about it. And for the last one, this is a little advisement. So we have prepared an attribute standard for the alignment thing, because we really think auto driving is a safety critical thing. So with the appearance, with the emergence of large language models, how to align the value of the model outputs with a human driver experience is super important. So we have applied these standards, and luckily it got approved. So if you are interested, feel free to participate for the working group members to draft the standards. So that will be all. And I think we have a really amazing schedule here. So we might start very early. So lastly, I hope all you guys enjoy CPR and Seattle. Okay. So let's welcome Sergey Levin from UC Berkeley, and his expertise is on the RL, and there are lots of amazing and popular works from their group. So let's welcome Sergey.